We are asked to solve this number analogy problem. 30% is to 3/5 as 60% is to blank. Meron tayong options at ang sabi ng key, it's 2 3/4. Verify natin kung tama. First things first, ang tawag sa ganitong mga uri ng problem ay number analogy. Para rin siyang ratio and proportion, kaya lang sa number analogy, kailangan mong ipilit kung minsan. Kahit hindi siya mathematically accurate, ipilit na makita yung relationship. Tapos, gawin yung kaparehong bagay dun sa isa pang quantity na kino-compare. So, sa example na to, 30% is to 3/5 daw. That's the first relationship that is being compared. 30%, gamit tayo ng colon symbol. Ganyan yung pag-compare ng quantities as ratios. Yung colon symbol ang basa is 2. 30% is to 3/5 as 60% is to something that is unknown. Gamit tayo ng variable muna para may placeholder. Let's use capital letter A. Lowercase a. Variable A. So, paano na i-relate si 30% kay 3/5? Tingnan natin. Posible lang yun kung pareha sila na percent or pareha silang fraction. So, either you convert 30% to fraction para makita mo yung relationship or i-convert si 3/5 sa percent. Alin man doon pwede. Pero sa example na to, I prefer converting 30% to fraction kasi mas madali yan. Fraction, percent to fraction is always as simple as adding 100 sa denominator. Yun yung lagi ibig sabihin ng percent eh. 30% means 30 parts out of 100. Yun laging ibig sabihin ng percent. So, lalagyan lang ng denominator ng 100. Ngayon, pag sinimplify yan, yung 30 out of 100 or 30 over 100 will essentially be 3/10. Yan yung lowest term niyan. Kasi greatest common factor ng 30 and 100 is 10. Kung kailangan ng ibang video sa paghanap ng GCF, I can provide one. Pero yun yung ginamit ko. Hinanap ang GCF para ma-simplify si fraction. Naging 3 over 10. Ngayon, 3 over 10, 3/5 siya nire-relate. Kagaya na banggit ko sa number analogy, minsan kailangan ipilit. So, gawa natin ng paraan para yung 3 over 10 maging 3/5. Siguro naisip mo na, kailangan nating i-divide yan sa 2. Kalahatiin mo yung denominator. That's the only way para maging 5 siya. So, 3 over 10, kalahatiin yung denominator para maging 3 over 5. Again, pinilit lang natin. Ginawa lang natin ng paraan para makita natin yung relationship. Ang idea kasi ng number analogy, ganito. Kung naman yung ginawa natin dito, gagawin din natin dito sa kabila. So, let's go ahead and do that. First things first, convert 60%. Sorry, hindi siya 60, basta percent siya ayun sa given. 60% to fraction will be 60 parts out of 100. Yun ibig sabihin nun. So, 60 over 100 na kailangan i-convert into fraction. That would become 6 over 10. Kasi ang GCF ng 60 at 100 ay 10. So, ilang 10 meron sa 60? 6. Ilang 10 meron sa 100? 10 naman. Ngayon, do the same thing. Divide natin sa 2 yung denominator ni 6. Makuha mo na yung value nung nawawalang quantity. Magiging 6 over 5 naman siya. 6 over 5. Ngayon, sa options natin, puro mixed number siya. Whole number tsaka fraction. Last step mo would be to convert 6/5 into mixed number. And to do that, magdi-divide ka lang. 6 divided by 5 lang yan. Yun din ang ibig sabihin ni 6 over 5. 6 divided by 5. So, this is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract mo. So, paano makuha yung final answer dyan? Yung quotient, laging yun yung whole number. Yung remainder, laging siya yung numerator. And then yung denominator, laging yun yung divisor. Or yung original denominator pa rin as it is. That's another way to think about it. So yung 6 over 5 is essentially 1 and 1/5. Which means yung answer key na pinrovide sa atin is incorrect. Ang tamang sagot dapat ay itong number 1.